originally from the Philippines, Pangasinan, and now based here in Chicago. I'm also a mom of two and also a proud digital business owner. Yes, I am a proud digital business owner. Marahil maraming nagtatanong bakit maganda na yung trabaho ko dito, but then I still went for a digital business dahil marami po tayong pangarap na gustong matupad. Yun. Being a nurse, that's my vocation. That's my profession. I loved it. But sometimes in our life, you want a journey that make you grow more as a person, make you be proud to yourself. And yun yung nakita ko dito sa business na ito. Hindi lang siya business, but also